our voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarms for transmitters in the Florida listening area from Ruskin, Florida. This is also a test of the same system, more specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
Your coastal waters forecast for the WXK-83 listening area. For the following marine location, coastal waters from Bonita Beach to Englewood out 20 to 60 nautical miles. Issued at 10:09 a.m. This afternoon, east winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots, diminishing to 5 to 10 knots late. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Northeast 2 feet at 4 seconds and southeast 1 foot at 5 seconds. WINTER tonight. East winds 5 to 10 knots.
There we go.
And guess what? They tested 4 minutes left. Like, you know you're a fat.
Crisp fall apples.
There we go.
Goo. 6 feet, did you have a good activation?
Yep, pretty good activation.